In the last 2 years, Talacrest have sold more than £200 million worth of cars, averaging one a week. More than one a week, in fact. The market has been very strong, but Talacrest tends to deal in the best of the best, so we've sold more cars than most people. We were surprised at the price rise in certain models of cars. Things like 250 Lusos, they just doubled in price. But that was mainly due to the fact that GTOs, Testarossas, short wheelbases, the high end, just rocketed in price because of demand. And the 250 Luso was always a very beautiful car and always sort of trailed the 250 short wheelbase. So they've gone up to £2 million for right-hand drive cars. And it's been an incredible surge in price for that model. Some other of the early 50s cars, which were more than Lusos 3 years ago, are now half the price of a Luso. So I think 50s cars are going to adjust, and I can see potential increase in them, and I've been trying to buy quite a few of them. But it's getting harder and harder to buy really good cars today. There's so many auctions. It surprises me sometimes because at auctions many people buy cars and they don't even check them over. When you buy a car from Talacrest, we extensively check everything. We do any mechanical work that's necessary in the car. We search the provenance. Each car we try and get with really nice thick history files. Although we occasionally buy at auction, it's only if we spot a bargain. But over the years, the market's always been very cyclical. Markets go up, gold, stocks, shares, cars, art, they also go down. But there's no great crash as such in the Ferrari market. Prices have adjusted, stabilised in certain models, but the good cars are still selling. There's more new collectors out there than there ever has been. Many of them are younger chaps in their 30s who their natural tendency was towards new cars, and I have a couple of clients like that, and they've ditched their new cars and they've started buying things like 250 Lusos, 365 GTCs, the kind of buyers who would never have considered these cars years ago, but they're actually driving them and enjoying them. So the market's widened a lot. The Middle East, they're buying classic Ferraris. 20 years ago you couldn't sell a classic Ferrari to the Middle East, but today because of Formula One, you've got many new buyers. The market's continuing, and again the other cycle of auctions here, auctions there, auctions everywhere. But when it comes to really good quality cars, Talacrest's at the top of the tree, and we're confident in every car we've got. I don't think there's another dealer anywhere in the world who can offer in excess of £70 million worth of cars for sale, and you can come and buy it any time you want. Any car. It's available, it's for sale.